Are you ready to start giving your skin the tools that it needs to look its best? I'm Gina with WTI. I'm in my mid 40s, and so skincare is really important to me. So I've been using this retinol serum from YouthVibe. Anything that can smooth wrinkles, conceal my dark spots, and help to reduce just overall skin aging is going to be high up on my list. And the ingredients in the serum really do the job. Of course, with any skin product, consistency is absolutely key. Now, I notice with using this on a consistent basis that it's making my skin glow and look better. I've been using about 6 drops for my décolletage, neck, and face. I put it in my hand and then I spread a thin layer over the top of my skin. And then I follow it with moisturizer. Another big plus with this product is that it's fragrance free and comes with a dropper. So it's really easy to apply and it's not going to bother you. So if you're looking for long-term benefits to your skin like I am, you should check this serum out. And that's my point of view.